Hello student, this is our part 4 of our class 6 social science chapter 3 landforms and life. This contains 25 MCQs from 76 to 100. Please like and subscribe our channel to get regular notification for such videos. So study well and master your skill. Let's start. Question number 76. Which Indian festival is associated with the harvest season in the plain? And the correct answer is B. Baisakhi. Question number 77. Which cultural activity is prevalent in coastal plain? And the correct answer is B. Deep sea fishing. The indigenous Maasai tribe is primarily found in which region? And the correct answer is D. African savannas. What type of traditional food is commonly consumed in desert region? And the correct answer is A. Dairy products and dried fruit. Which region is famous for the practice of shifting cultivation? And the correct answer is B. Tropical rainforest. In which landform is tourism a significant source of income due to natural beauty and adventure sport? Correct answer is B. Mountain. The Inuit people are traditionally found in which landform? And the correct answer is C. Tundra region. Which landform is known for its extensive river system which support agriculture? And the correct answer is D. Plain. Which cultural dance is famous in the desert region of Rajasthan, India? And the correct answer is B. Ghumar. In plateau region, people often rely on which activity for their livelihood? And the correct answer is C. Mining and agriculture. Question number 86. Which crop is primarily grown in the alluvial plain of the Gangas? And the correct answer is A. Rice. Which landform is known for having limited vegetation due to extreme climatic condition? And And the correct answer is B, desert. Which type of settlement pattern is typically seen in plain? And the correct answer is C, clustered settlement. Which of the following animal is not typically found in mountainous region? And the correct answer is C, elephant. What is the primary reason for migration from desert region to plain? And the correct answer is A, scarcity of water and harsh living condition. Which of the following landform is least suited for large-scale farming? And the correct answer is B, desert. Which type of farming is common in region with harsh terrain such as mountain? And the correct answer is B, terrace farming. What is the primary source of water in plain? And the correct answer is C, rivers and groundwater. Why are plateaux often called the storehouse of minerals? And the correct answer is D, because they are rich in mineral deposit. Which of the following is a challenge faced by people living in desert region? And the correct answer is B, limited access to water. The Amazon rainforest often referred to as the lungs of the earth because it. And the correct answer is A, produce vast amount of oxygen. Which traditional mode of transport is still used in some desert region? And the correct answer is B, camel caravans. Which of this region is prone to soil erosion due to its loose sandy soil? And the correct answer is A, desert region. Question number 99. The Pampas are extensive plain found in which continent? And the correct answer is B, South America. And the last question, which landform is suitable for large-scale mechanized farming? And and the third answer is D, plain. Thank you for watching MCQ CBSE. Please like and subscribe our channel to get regular update. Thank you.